today's video, we're going to take a look at the Holiday Inn Express in Astoria, Oregon, coming up right after this. So we're going to start by looking at what's outside the Holiday Inn. To our left's a big parking lot. There's plenty of handicap parking. We're going to go around the back side here. We're actually in Astoria working with a film crew creating video for the Chamber of Commerce, but while we were doing that, I was also recording some of our own video. Cheryl's got her Will CI2 power chair, and it just loved this area. It had no problems with the places we wanted it to go. We went places it shouldn't have gone, but it went without any complaining. So this is the back side of the Holiday Inn. You can see our film crew standing there. And the Holiday Inn just faces right up against the Columbia River. It just creates so many nice views. It's almost nestled under this bridge that goes over to the north shore of the river. You can see the bridge there, kind of turning around. And right here is a way you can get into the hotel from the outside. There's also one right in the middle. You see the trolley that uses these tracks. It just runs every once in a while. And so this bridge is also part of the Astoria Trail. It goes for about 6 miles along the river. It shared this wooden trestle with the trolley, but other than that, it's a paved path. Cheryl actually went for a long ways along it. Again, you can see nice and smooth. Dropped the camera, but I got you a close-up view of it. So Cheryl's going to go in and try out the business center. And I'll say this, she could get into the business center and would have been able to get in and out. It's a little scrunchy and you'd have to move some furniture to work from a wheelchair in there. Looking at doors she can try. This was the dining area. We caught it after breakfast, so it was empty. You can see there, its spacing is really good for wheelchairs. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, subscribe and hit the little bell icon. That way you get notified when I create videos. But accessibility in this dining area was really good. We'll go in and take a look at the serving area. The only thing that I saw that might have been a little bit of challenge is that pot right in front of us is where they put the oatmeal, and you wouldn't be able to see inside it very well. Pretty much everything else would be accessible. Again, you can see plenty of seats and lots of space to work. So we thought that was good. Now I'm just standing here watching Cheryl because I didn't have anything else to do. We've gone back down to the end of the corridor to just take a look down here. The hotel really does a good job of not having too much carpet. You can see that the hallways are a solid surface, not carpet, which makes it so much easier pulling luggage and when you're pushing a manual wheelchair. Now we're going to take a quick look in the women's room. It's got an accessible restroom accessible toilet in there, so you can see it there. And then we're going to go take a look at the pool in just a minute. Oh, here's the pool. And it's a really nice pool. And the one thing as we came in, you'll see them again in just a minute, is they had a lift for both the pool and the hot tub, which is more uncommon than I'd like to see. So you can get into either the hot tub or the pool with a lift, and makes it very nice for individuals that are full-time wheelchair users. In the evenings and the afternoons, the pool was pretty busy. There were kids around, but yeah, this time of day, we're pretty early in the morning, and there wasn't anybody there to be in the way. She's going to go in and take a look at the accessible restroom that's here for the pool area. And again, nice bars, everything you need to make it work well for most people. I did a room tour of our room at this hotel, which was very nice. The link to that will be in the description down below. We're getting ready to head out. If you're not subscribed, please do me a favor and subscribe. If you know people that like the video, please feel free to share it with them. And as always, I appreciate likes. It helps YouTube know it's good content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see everybody in the next video.